Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to harden Google Chrome security when using public Wi-Fi, step by step, fully updated for 2026. Public Wi-Fi networks can be risky, but with a few Chrome settings, you can protect your data and privacy. First, always use a VPN when connected to public networks. This encrypts your internet traffic, making it difficult for attackers to intercept your data. Next, open Google Chrome and go to Settings Arrow Privacy and Security Arrow Security. Enable Enhanced Safe Browsing. This protects you from phishing, malware, and malicious websites while on unsecured networks. Now, manage cookies and trackers. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Cookies and Other Site Data. Select Block Third-Party Cookies to prevent trackers from following you across sites. Enable HTTPS Only Mode. In Chrome settings under Security, turn on Always Use Secure Connections. This forces websites to load over HTTPS, reducing the risk of data interception on public Wi-Fi. Also, disable unnecessary site permissions. Go to Settings Arrow Privacy and Security Arrow Site Settings and restrict access to your location, camera, microphone, and notifications for websites you don't trust. Another tip is to avoid using public Wi-Fi for sensitive transactions like online banking. If you must, ensure the website uses HTTPS and your connection is secure. Finally, keep Chrome updated. Go to chrome://settings/help and install any pending updates. Security patches often fix vulnerabilities that could be exploited on public networks, and that's it. By using a VPN, enabling enhanced safe browsing, blocking third-party cookies, forcing HTTPS, and managing site permissions, you can harden Google Chrome security on public Wi-Fi effectively. If this guide helped you, like the video, share it, and subscribe for more step-by-step Chrome security tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.